shovel's gone, the doors are closed, but the night still sings what no one knows. I hear a voice in the desert wind, a broken psalm, a shadow hymn. Shadow hymn, carry me through, singing the pain I never knew. Shadow hymn, soft and low, guiding me where the lost ones go. The candles died, the altar's bare, but the silence feels like someone's there. Every echo calls my name, every prayer just sounds the same. Yeah, shadow here, carry me through, singing the pain I never knew. Shadow here, soft and low, guiding me where the lost ones go. If mercy waits, it waits in vain. I walk alone in the falling rain, but in the dark I still belong. The hymn remains, the hymn is strong. Shadow hymn, carry me through, singing the pain I never knew. Shadow hymn, soft and low, guiding me where the lost one goes. The night is quiet, the fire is low. I hear the voices of long ago. They tell me stories of loss and pain, but still they whisper, stand again. Voices in the flame, calling my name. Through the darkness, through the shame. Voices in the flame, strong and true. They burn inside and carry me through. The road is heavy, the years are long, but in the silence I hear their song. Every scar is a light that shines, every tear turns to fire in time. Voices in